So in here we have our description that we can give for our request type, so end users know the purpose of this request type. And here we have our main fields that are going to show up on the portal. You'll see here we've got instructions, employee, company value, description, priority, summary. Over here we will have a label that shows if it's required. Here we have description. You'll see it says description, but on the right hand side it says reason for kudos. That's because what we can do is rather than using these field names, we can make it a little bit more descriptive or user. Here we change it with reason for kudos, and then we're able to also give a different description as well. You can also see in here that you can make a field required or not required by selecting the checkbox. And it says section start if better. Over here on the right hand side, we have it where conditionally the kudos type is better kudos. It will now show this section. Below that we have if the kudos is big, then it will show this section without showing the other section. And what this allows you to do is to have fields conditionally show up, so that way you're not having your end user scroll through an entire list of fields that may not make sense for the request. And this way you're able to combine requests and have information show up based on software or product and not have to have 25 different request types across your portal. We have the employee for this particular one that we want to give kudos to, the company value, the reason for kudos, and now we have here that conditional field, that kudos type. You'll also see here on the right hand side we have an informational field showing the differences between standard, better, and big. And this is another way to have the information that your end users are inputting be quality and accurate, so that way there's not back and forth always going on. You're letting them know here in this situation what a standard kudos type is, what a better is, and what a big is. So if we were to select better, we would get another informational screen, and it will tell us what is going on with the better's kudos. Or if we did big, we'll now see that we have another option where we could put in a number, and this will go through the approval workflow.